Hi, good morning, my dear students. I'm Ms Daphne Khor. Welcome to my channel. Spark Brilliance, Inspire Life. Using a straw to drink is something most of us do without thinking. Just like how a straw helps us enjoy our drink, in the chemistry lab, we also use a tool to draw liquid, but not for drinking, for more accurate measurement. Of course, we don't use our mouth in the lab. We use the pipette filler to draw and release the liquid safely. Today, both of us will show you how to use the pipette safely and correctly. For this video, we will show how to pipette the solutions correctly. So in the first part, we will show how are we going to use the rubber pipette filler.
Step 1. Rinse a 25 cubic centimeter pipette with distilled water, followed by hydrochloric acid.
Add a small amount of distilled water into the pipette. Cover both ends of the pipette using your fingers, using thumb and finger to close both ends. After rinsing, the next step is to draw up the solution using the pipette. How do we take up the solutions by using pipette?
Oh my God!
Yes, we have pipette filler. There are two types of pipette filler. This is rubber pipette filler, and this is pump pipette filler. I personally prefer rubber pipette filler. This is because it gives better control and suctions. The rubber pipette filler has 3 buttons. A means air. Press this to remove the air. S means suck. Press this button to pull the solution up. E means empty. Use this button to adjust the level. Step 2. Release the air in rubber pipette filler by pressing A. Then it was attached to the top of the pipette. Hold the pipette near its top using one hand, not too close to the tip to avoid breaking it. Then take filler with your other hand and position it directly above the open end of the pipette. Use a slight twisting motion, but don't force it.
The pipette should fit securely into the filler.
Now, let's take a closer look at the meniscus, the curved surface of the liquid inside the pipette. When measuring a liquid volume, we should always read from bottom of the meniscus. Make sure your eye level with the calibration mark, not looking from above or below. The bottom of the meniscus should sit exactly on the calibration line. You need to adjust the liquid level so that the bottom of the meniscus touch the calibration mark. When the solution has stopped flowing, you will notice a few drops remain at the tip of the pipette. That is completely normal. Do not blow them out. Pipettes are calibrated to deliver thick volume and designed to leave a small amount behind. First, make sure both the pipette and the pipette filler are clean and dry.
Of course, the first step is always to rinse the pipette as we demonstrated early when using the rubber pipette filler.
Before we use the pump pipette filler, let's get to know its parts. This will help you understand how it works and how to handle it correctly in the lab. So these are the parts on pump pipette filler. We have nozzle, or we can call it connector. So it is connected to the top of the pipette. It should fit securely without forcing. Gently press the pipette into the connector part of the pump filler. Use a slight twisting motion, but don't force it. Now, the pipette is ready to draw up solutions. The rotation will control the suctions by moving liquid up or down inside the pipette. When you're ready to release the liquid into the flux, gently press the lever or let it drain naturally. You should always hold the filler by the body. Now, let's take a closer look at meniscus, the curved surface of the liquid inside the pipette. When measuring a liquid volume, you should always read from bottom of the meniscus. Make sure your eye level with the calibration mark, not looking from above or below. The bottom of the meniscus should sit exactly on the calibration line. You need to adjust the liquid level so that the bottom of the meniscus touch the calibration mark. Always use the bottom of the meniscus for clear liquid like water or acid.